This is Lauren. Every day I'm going to be doing a new video on a different topic. Right now, this is bedtime routine. So first, I get my pajamas on. Then, I take my glasses off. Then I grab a comb. And I brush my hair. And I'm not doing it because I know I'm going to get a rat's nest when I go to bed. So I put my hair up. I could put it higher, but I'm just going to put it low for tonight. Okay. Then after I put my hair up, I brush my teeth. One sec. I hope you have a toothbrush. I'm ready. And get some of this too. It's down for your teeth. Okay, I'm ready. Oh, and don't forget your toothpaste. Okay, it's on there. I'm going to start. Now I'm done. Now I gotta do my mouthwash. Okay, done my mouthwash and brushing my teeth. Now, we gotta put it away. It's dark. I don't know. Okay. After that, what you do is you put on some of your favorite shows on your TV. Then what you're gonna do is gonna get your bed all ready. And then now, if you need to, you go to the bathroom. Then you go right into your bed. Hold on. Hair fixing. Okay. Okay. So then you get into your nice cozy bed.
Yeah. And
Okay.
episode it happens.
I'm right in my bed. Can't see me that well, but that's alright. So, cuddle with your best friend. This is my best friend, Oscar. It's my monkey. He's as tall as me, and I'm pretty tall. So, then I get into bed and I go to sleep. And I wake up in the morning and eat my breakfast. That is my bedtime routine.